This is part 2 of going over homework, page 722. Again, page 722. We're on 17. We want to only find the shaded region. Okay, here's what I see. I see a square. Then I see these regions right here. Let's try and shade them in red. There. And there. Now, what I see to do, I only want to find the green shaded area. So what do you think I'm going to do? I'm going to take the square and I'm going to subtract the red area. Well, what does the red area make? It's 2 half circles, so it makes a full circle. So here we go. Our green area, okay? Area of the green, and that's what they wanted. On this particular problem, it's going to be area of the square minus area of one circle. Okay, area of a square, just side times side, so it's 6 by 6, so that's going to be 6 squared. Minus, now, what's the radius? Oh yeah, the radius is 3. There you go. That's the radius. That's what I need. Here it is. Pi 3 squared. So here's what we got. 6 squared. That's the area of the square. That's 36. Minus pi 3 squared. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, we got a pi times 3 squared. Nice. 28, 27. Here it is. 28, 27. Let's subtract 36 minus that number. Okay, 36 minus 28, 27. Boom, we got our green area, 773. 773. This is area that was green. Green shaded. Now, what about units? All the units here are meters, therefore my area, meters squared. Okay, what do we got here? Yeah, we got a little putt green, 3 pieces really, and they want us to figure out the total square footage. Well, I see a square, 3.5 by 3.5. Then I see a rectangle, 7 by 3.5. We can do those, that's going to be easy. Then I see this third part right here. What part of a circle is that third part? How much of a circle is that third part? Yeah, it's 1/4 of a circle. So here we go. Let's go ahead and we'll do that one. That's the hardest one. Here it is. Area right here. It's going to be 1/4 the area of a circle. 1/4 pi. What's the radius? Well, the radius is right here. What is that length? Oh yeah, that's 3.5. Do you see that? There it is. So that's going to be 3.5 squared. Let's go ahead and do that. In my calculator, what is 1/4? I'm going to use 0.25. Then I'm going to multiply it by pi. Then I'm going to multiply it by 3.5 squared. Let's get, that's the area of that curved area. Okay, here we go. Let's go do that in the calc. 0.25 times pi times 3.5 squared. There it is, 1/4 times the area of that circle, okay? Because it's only 1/4 of the whole circle. Hey, there it is, 962 for that part. Okay, 962, that's the one part. Let's do this part right here. Okay, hey, it's a rectangle. Area of our rectangle is 7 by 3.5. There it is. Okay, length times width. 7 times 3.5. There we go. Good. 24.5. 24.5. Good. That's one. That's one. Let's find the third one. Here it is. It's a square. Hey, area of this square, it's just going to be 3.5 times 3.5 or 3.5 squared. Okay, here we go. 3.5 squared. There it is. 1225. Those 3 areas for the total now. Here we go. Area total. Our first one was 962. The next one, 24.5 we did, and the last one, 12.25. Let's add them up. Okay, we got a 7, we got 11, we got a 13, 1 there, decimal. We got 13, 15, 16. Carry the 1. We got what, 40? Yep, there it is. Area total. Now, what about units? What were the length units on this problem? Yeah, feet. So the area units are going to be feet squared. There it is. That's the total area of the little putt-putt green. Okay, we're going to this one, huh? 27. Find the shaded region. Well, first of all, look at this number over here. What that's telling us is the central angle. The central angle right here is 109. That's what it's trying to tell us. Now, if that's 109, this is 109. Now, I'm really not interested in that central angle. I'm interested in the yellow part central angle. Well, look, you've got right here, you've got a straight line. So let's figure out that other central angle. Here we go. 180 minus 109, I think it's 71. So we got 71 degrees here, 71 degrees here. Nice. Now, take a look. Take a look. We have two sectors. Let's find the area of one. They're exactly the same. Find the area of one sector, and then at the end, double it. Okay, here we go. Area of one yellow sector. Central angle, 71 degrees, over 360, times area of the circle. So here's the radius. There it is. So it's pi 5.2 squared. Okay, let's do 71 over 360. Okay, 71 divided by 360. Nice. There it is, 1972. Okay, 1972. Good. Okay, pi 5.2 squared. We've got a pi times 5.2 squared. Nice, huh? 8494. Okay, 8494. Now, this is going to be the area of just one sector. Okay, there we go. Let's multiply those now. Take that number there, multiply it by 0.1972. There we go. That looks good. 1972. Okay, there it is, 1675, and that is just for one. 1675. That's only one sector. We want two. So here it is. Area shaded. We're just going to double that. There's two of those times 1675. Here we go for our total. Right here, take that number, multiply by 2. Yeah, there we go. We could go 3350. 3350 units. Yeah, look at that. The radius was in feet, so the area, feet squared. That's our answer. Looking good. Let's go to the last one. Okay, what do we have here? What are the shapes that you see? I see a square, 20 by 20. And of course, I see 4 circles. What are we going to do with those shapes? We're going to take the square and minus 4 circles. So here it is. Area that is shaded. Okay, that's the yellow part, is 1 square. This particular problem, it's 1 square minus 4 circles. Okay, the square, it's 20 by 20. So 20 times 20, or 20 squared, minus. Now, there's 4 of them, and we need pi r squared. What's the radius? What's going to be the radius of each circle? Well, if that whole distance is 20, then I think you're going to have 5, 5, 5, and 5. Yeah, the radius is 5. That's what you need when you got to figure out the area of a circle. You need the radius, not the diameter. So here we go. Let's plug that in right up top. Here it is, pi 5 squared. Okay, so first of all, 20 squared. I think we know that. That's 400. Minus. Now, it's going to be 4 times pi r squared. Okay, here it is. It's going to be 4 times pi times 5 squared. There it is. 4 circles. 4 area of the circles. That's why the number 4 is in there. Here we go. Yep, 3, 14, 16. Okay, 3, 14, 16. Let's subtract 400 minus that number. Here we go. 400 minus 3, 14, 16. Nice. Finish it up. 85, 84. 85, 84. That is the area that is shaded. Okay. Hey, how about units on this? Yep. The length was in inches, so the area inches squared. Looking good. Folks, that's the end of going over homework, page 722. Have a great one today.